chapter 4, section 3. So we are going to move on now to the Middle Kingdom. So around the year 2300 BC, government officials are going to begin to take control of Egypt. They become jealous of the pharaohs. And what you're going to have is about 200 years of confusion that follows. People were used to being ruled by pharaohs for hundreds of years, and then these government officials take control, and the pharaohs there's no more pharaoh, giant mess. Eventually, you're going to get some new pharaohs that are going to bring peace. And this is when the Middle Kingdom is going to begin. But the pharaohs will now have less power. And they're no longer going to be buried in pyramids. Instead, they're going to be buried in tombs cut into the cliffs. And they're also going to begin to trade with countries outside of the Nile River Valley. So they're moving throughout the Mediterranean around there, trading with other kingdoms, other places, other countries. And the Middle Kingdom is going to end around 1786 BC, when Egypt is going to be invaded. Egypt gets invaded by the Hyksos. The Hyksos it translates to like princes from foreign lands. And they were from Western Asia, the Palestine, Syria area. And they crossed the desert in these horse-drawn chariots. Meanwhile, the Egyptians were fighting on foot. The Hyksos used bronze and iron weapons, while the Egyptians had copper and stone weapons. So the Hyksos were going to take over Egypt, and they're going to rule Egypt for around 150 years. Now, they do copy some of the Egyptian customs, but most Egyptians hate the Hyksos. And then in the year 1550 BC, Ahmose, an Egyptian prince, is going to lead an uprising against the ruling Hyksos. And he actually uses the Hyksos as weapons. And the Hyksos will be driven out of Egypt by Ahmose.